What if you could see how a trading strategy performed over historical data before you ever risk a dime, all without knowing a single line of code? If you open ChatGPT right now and ask for a strategy that guarantees a 100% return, you hit a wall. It provides standard disclaimers, gives generic financial advice, and refuses to write the code. There is a workaround. In about 5 minutes, you can take standard charting indicators and use the AI to convert them into testable algorithms. Methodical, you only need 3 things to execute this method: a free chart open on TradingView, an active ChatGPT tab, and 0 programming experience. Algorithmic strategy testing used to require a software engineering background. Today, it is accessible to anyone who knows how to copy and paste. First, open your preferred asset chart in TradingView. We will use Bank Nifty for this example. Navigate to the Indicators tab and apply a tool, like Bollinger Bands. This UI mockup shows the button we need. Look for the Settings toolbar and click the curly bracket icon to open the source code. A panel will pop up displaying the raw script behind the indicator. Highlight that entire block of text and copy it. Now, switch over to ChatGPT. Paste that entire raw source code directly into the chat window. This diagram shows the logic we want the AI to create. Type this instruction. Use this code to create a strategy in PineScript that buys when price goes below the lower band and sells when price goes above the upper band. That prompt bridges the gap between a static mathematical indicator and actionable trading directives. Once ChatGPT finishes writing your new script, copy it. Head back to your TradingView window and open the Pine Editor panel at the bottom of the screen. Because you are working with a built-in TradingView script, the system prevents direct edits. Click on the script name, select Make a Copy, and give it a new title. Clear out all the old text in your new file. Paste the AI-generated code directly into the empty window and click Add to Chart. This video clip shows what often happens next: a red syntax error. This is a normal part of the process. Simply highlight that specific error message, copy it, and paste it back into ChatGPT with a brief command. Make modifications based on this error. The AI will identify the failure and rewrite the code. Copy the revised version, delete the old script in TradingView, paste the new one in, and hit Add to Chart again. Effective no-code development relies on this feedback loop. You let the system catch the syntax issues, and you feed those errors back into the AI so it can solve its own mistakes. If the code compiles, you will see buy and sell markers populating on your chart's price action. Opening the Strategy Tester tab reveals performance metrics like net profit and percentage profitable. Adjusting parameters, like an order size of 100 lots, dynamically updates these calculations. Performance also shifts across timeframes. A 1-minute chart yields 0.29%, while a 1-day chart shows long-term trends. Next, click over to the List of Trades tab. This lets you audit historical entries, pinpointing the largest single trade gains and the most significant losses. Replacing market assumptions with this back-tested data reveals how a technical indicator has performed under different conditions. You now have a system that tracks historical entries, exits, and cumulative profit. This workflow is repeatable. You can follow these steps to extract and test the code from various technical indicators. Select a tool on TradingView, run it through this ChatGPT loop, and share your resulting metrics in the comments below. If you are ready to apply these back-tested strategies to live markets, check the description for a link to open a free DMAT account. By using this method, you move away from guessing how a strategy might work and start using historical data to inform your decisions before risking real capital.